Hello everyone. I got a 36-inch Casablanca Lady Delta here. Like I said, it's got the small blade set, but I have the regular size blades too if I need them. On a low ceiling adapter with this crystal light shade on it. That is the matching one to these over here on the Century. And it looks pretty good with the light on. And then the fan itself has got bearing noise, but it runs pretty well otherwise. And then high is really fast, obviously, because it's got the short blade set on it. It doesn't appear to be making the bearing noise anymore, which is good. I guess it just needed to be hung there for a little while. But yeah, like I said, I mean, it's a pretty good little fan. I was going to put it in my kitchen, but the ceiling is much too low. So it hangs in here. But it works very well. Anyway, that's it for that one, and I hope you enjoyed.